I'd like to welcome everyone to the Wild Weather Météo Turbulent exhibition at the Ontario Science Centre. Here's where we address some of the most exciting, attention-grabbing elements of weather, like tornadoes and hurricanes, thunderstorms with lightning, hail, and all those things that we experience in Ontario.
My favorite thing here is probably the dancing thing because you get to dance, have fun, but then also like rain and like snow comes and it's really cool. I also really like tornadoes and tsunamis and things like that, so it's really cool to see videos and pictures and stuff about it.
This exhibit in the Ontario Science Centre Wild Weather is called The Shape of Your Vortex.
So the purpose of this is to create your own mini tornado by adjusting the walls and like hitting this button.
So when you hit the button, it makes a tornado type thing in the box. So you can experiment around with it. Like you can start blowing and it'll like start going all around the place. It's really cool. You can experiment with the walls to change the shape of your vortex. You can press the button and turn on the fan to go faster. And it's just a really cool thing that we've been
lucky to get a chance to do.
It's been a fun day overall, and this was one of the coolest things I've seen.
You'll also learn about the science behind study of weather and how these different weather patterns form and how we can better predict their arrival and their effects on us.
I think this expedition is really good because this one in particular because it lets you act like a news reporter, and I think that's pretty awesome, to be honest. I mean, like a weather reporter I meant to say, but it's pretty awesome, and I think it's, if you want to be like a reporter or something, you want to learn weather, you can just come here and just do this. No, I don't think I will be a weather reporter, but I think I'll be like maybe something different, like, I don't know, maybe a normal reporter, but that's only if that's up to me, actually.
I think that this exhibition is really cool because this is not like an everyday thing that you get to witness here at the Ontario Science Centre Wild Weather, and I think this is a really cool exhibition, and I'm thanking George Crunas to be here to explain things to us as a real storm chaser. And behind me I have this one part of this exhibition. It's called the Thunder Games. It's basically just a two-player game where you're going to move this thing upwards and hold that to make lightning, and the other person has to guess how many kilometers you did. For example, if I put it to 3 kilometers and he guesses 3 kilometers, I believe he gets a point, and then you just keep rotating like that.
This is one of my favorite exhibits. The reason why I like this exhibit is because if you turn this knob over here, my finger's on, it controls the speed. It can go forwards, backwards, any directions. You can even make it go pretty quickly, and it kind of looks pretty disturbing, but doesn't really matter. And that's why I like it, because it's so much fun to see the lightning storm frame by frame.
So this here is a Study Your Suite exhibition, and you could see from here if you want to look at your face or your hands, it could see like how much sweat you have, and it could look at, and if you look at your clothes, like for example, this magnet here, it could see like the fabric in it, and it sees how much it is, and for the hair, it's like it shows how thin it is, how thick it is, and it's really cool. And we thought this was really cool because we got to see like how the fabric looks like and how much sweat we have in our face, and it's really cool.
I really like how we use the magnifying glass to see our stuff and see our hair. And it's a really cool exhibition. I could have stayed here like all my life.
Right now, I'm in the exhibition where it's exampling a house in the east side where it's kind of like a wild weather of too much snow. So here around here, there is a lot of snow and there has been some damage in this house. Not personally only outside, but like electronics, like refrigerators working, a lot of windows are being blocked, and this is kind of exampling on how the east side or like one part of Canada, it like goes what they go through. And as you can see, if we want to walk to the door, this is my favorite part around here. That this part is where this is like kind of like where snow would it like lead up to, or my friend's right here and my other friend. And each time, a fact is that per 10 seconds, 40 centimeters of snow piles up. So if we could imagine what they do, this is really like usual around the east side. This is probably what they would do. They would dig a hole to come right out. Here is the other side of the house exhibition of the east side. And this is kind of example of what they would do if they're stuck in their house and like, let's say they had to go to the store to get something, some food or something. It would be this kind of hard. Like right here, for an example, he's kind of cold. And yeah, and this is what usually happens in the east when the temperature lowers down to at least a -0.
This exhibition is really cool because there's lots of things to look at, and it's really fun to do. And it's good experience. I didn't ever experience a tornado, and I'm hoping to because I want to see how it looks like.
So I really like this exhibition because it has like a lot of information about things that us kids don't really know, and since they have like activities and games, it makes it more fun for us to learn.
I would totally recommend this and come here for this exhibition.